In this lesson, we will focus on 3 important irregular verbs in English: take, make, and give. You will learn how their past forms change and how they are used in real sentences. Irregular verbs do not follow the usual rule of adding ed to make the past tense. Instead, their form changes completely. By the end of this lesson, you will understand how to use took, made, and gave correctly in daily speech. The verb take means to get or carry something. Its past form is took. For example, the present sentence, I take my bag to school, becomes I took my bag to school. The meaning stays the same, but we change the verb to show that the action already happened. Remember, we use took for actions completed in the past. Take and took are used very often in everyday English. For example, I take a shower every morning, becomes I took a shower in the morning. They take the bus to work, becomes they took the bus yesterday. She takes notes in class, becomes she took notes during the lecture. Notice how the meaning of the action stays the same, only the verb form changes to show it happened before now. The verb make means to create, build, or produce something. Its past form is made. For example, I make breakfast every day, becomes I made breakfast this morning. This change shows that the action is finished and happened earlier. Some other examples are, she makes coffee at home, becomes she made coffee at home, or we make toys, becomes we made toys yesterday. Make and made describe actions of creating or doing something. For example, I make a cake every Sunday, becomes I made a cake yesterday. He makes a plan for the trip, becomes he made a plan for the trip. They make noise in the hall, becomes they made noise in the hall. Use made when you talk about things that already happened in the past. The verb give means to offer or present something to someone. Its past form is gave. For example, I give my friend a gift, becomes I gave my friend a gift yesterday. The action of giving is already completed. Another example is they give their time to help others, becomes they gave their time to help others. The word gave always shows an action that is done in the past. The verb give is used when something is offered, transferred, or presented to another person. In the past, it becomes gave. For example, I give my teacher my homework, becomes I gave my teacher my homework yesterday. They give money to charity, becomes they gave money to charity last year. She gives a hug to her friend, becomes she gave a hug to her friend. Remember, gave is always used to talk about giving that already happened. Let us review what we learned. The verb take becomes took and means to get or carry something. The verb make becomes made and means to create or build something. The verb give becomes gave and means to offer or present something. Each of these verbs changes form in the past, but keeps its same basic meaning. Practice using these words in simple sentences every day, both in present and past forms, to build confidence in your English speaking.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.